Hey guys, it's Mo, and today I am going to be unboxing this mini mystery box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. On Thanksgiving Day, these launched. I tried to get one of the deluxe boxes, I think, the biggest one that there was, and I failed. So I managed to then try to get the medium one and failed, and was able to snag one of these. So hey, that's still cool, and this is my first time getting one of these boxes, so I'm excited to unbox it with you. I'll try this at home with these scissors. I'm a professional scissor cutter of boxes. Okay guys, oh my gosh. Ta-da! Let's see. We got some lovely green paper. So lovely. Oh my gosh. So it looks like we've got 2 lip products and some lovely stickers. Wow, these are actually really cute. Can you see them? Can you see? Can you see? We have a velour liquid lipstick and a lip ammunition. Is that what these are called? Yes, lip ammunition. We've got Posh Spice in the liquid lip. Ooh, that is an interesting kind of nude brownish color. Should we get a little swatchy swatch? Why not? See if by chance I get closer you can see that better. Hopefully I'm not mixing everything up, but Celebrity Skin and lip ammunition. These are so cool looking. I've never done one of these, so it's pretty nice. Oh man. This is kind of a similar color, but that is okay. Ooh, I really like this one. There's that one next to it. Very pretty party. That is everything. Like I said, this is just the mini one. I tried to get the bigger one. With no luck, but hey, that's okay. I still got something. And if I heard correctly, they're actually reimbursing everyone for these mini boxes due to a discrepancy on the website of what was actually in them. But yeah, so it looks like I'm getting all of this for free, which is really cool. So yeah, thank you so much for checking out this little video. Just wanted to unbox this, thought it would be fun to do with you guys. Here's my Christmas tree, and we'll continue the Christmas fun on this channel through the season. Hopefully you guys are getting your shopping done and doing lots of fun holiday things. Alright, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!